Hey there guys, it's Gman from Texas here. Today I'm going to do a short video on a little repair that I'm going to do on the trailer. I've got the carpet on the bunks kind of wearing out, so we're going to change them up. Now that the boat's out of the trailer, we'll take these bunks off and try to replace that carpet. All right, here's the first bunk. The tail's got some wear, some broken pieces here. So we're gonna replace this right here on the boat trailer parking. Okay, so I'm gonna try something. Instead of removing this old carpet, putting the new one right over it, make it nice and cushiony. And I've never seen it done that way, but we're gonna try. How are we going to put this? I don't want to cut it, because when you cut it, you get tears. So what's your suggestion?
Well, this one is cut here, and
right.
So to avoid that, what I would do is I would fold this first, and that way you get a whole, a smooth part, and then you fold this over like this, and you staple it here.
That sounds like a good idea. Hopefully my 1/2-inch staples will be good enough for that.
Yeah, I don't know.
See. Okay, so that's not going to work. It's too thick.
Yeah, so we might have to cut
unfortunately,
it.
I'm going to have to cut this piece anyway. So we'll cut it out.
Okay. Oh well, I'm not always right.
She's not always right. It's on video.
Most of the time, though. Here goes nothing.
Have faith in yourself.
I do.
Look at that, nice and cushiony. All right, let's put the screws back on.
Honey?
Yeah.
Did you find the hole?
I always find the hole, huh? Okay. Mojarla primero, mira cómo está. This technically works, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so that was a successful replacement of the bunk carpet. Hopefully it's gonna last for a while. Hope you all enjoyed it. G-Man from Texas saying peace, y'all.